My city. My city is a city of sweat-dripped walls and rumbling bass. All right, what's happening, love? My city rumbles with a delicate balance of attitude and love. My city is small, but the people are big, fighting against the march of student flats and shiny concrete. My city whispers in the dark of forgotten tunnels and resistance. My city is a constant spring of music. My city will welcome you if you can provide the right amount of wit.
Yeah, trust.
My city permeates the beige facade so celebrated by the shiny suited execs. My city raises its head and says, "You're right, or what?" My city is friendships and movements. My city forces its way through the cracks in the pointed angles with rhythms and rhymes. My city is the spirit. My city is the soul. My city will never be owned. My city is not 9 to 5. My city rolls in its own time. My city is neither yours nor mine. My city has its own truth, its own light. My city fights. My city is the city of safe drive and chat. My city lives in the underground. My city is the city of sounds. I write these words in vain to release the insane, inane ramblings that plague my brain. I just can't help it, I really have tried, but the words convive to revive my pad and pen. It's how I began, it's how I begin. When I bring myself out, and I've flown it about, I love to confuse, to elude the multitude. Most got a short fuse, and sadly no fire to light it. I slide in plain sight and delight in it. People hope I'm a match, but I don't use wood to combust. But you lust after likes, your likes after lust. Basic scrutiny and not much trust in what we must do. Feeling the love for my crew who still sometimes don't get it, but I deal with the matter. These scatterbrained thoughts purport to make no sense, so dense, compressed, about to explode, about to spew sick words on you. No drama to find, no drama to find, no drama in mind.
Yeah! Thank you.
Sometimes the past prickles through me in devious vaults, ripples into a haze inextricably linked. To remove this double-edged sword would split me, so I remain whole. No choice but to choose to remain whole. This life is a series of moments, glimpses and shadows, combined, colluded, derived, not a journey, you've already arrived. Now, right now, prescient sentiments eloquent in the rational mind, but traces of a life left behind rumble. The past prickles through me. Shallow gorges ready for future substance, ready to make the choice. Life's not a test, it's much more complex. Serendipitous calamity, it just adds to me, I can fathom me, establish me in reality, but what baffles me is the lives that some live, not realising their worth. 10 out of 10 at birth, each and every one of us, a blessing, not a curse, you heard? Sometimes the past prickles through me in devious vaults, ripples into a haze, inextricably linked. Prescient sentiments eloquent in the rational mind, but traces of a life left behind rumble. The past prickles through me sometimes.
All right.
Have I got time for one more? Cherry jam. I can take that off. Oh, come on. It's better than that, like. What would even happen if there weren't any images? Just spillages of thought, interconnect thoughts. What if you were blind to the images they propagate? How would you navigate in an altered state? when the illiterate divine alternate rhythm with precision, the belligerent sidelined in alternate times, highlighted in my gallant rhymes. But there's no such thing as space and time. There's no such thing as yours and mine. Manifold destinies are requesting me, are just testing me. This life is sublet to me. Manifold destinies are testing me, requesting me to listen without inhibition of choice. But the magnitude eludes me. I keep seeing signs that move me. There's something not quite right. There's something out of sight. A dimension that drips and merges. These signs are a convergence, glitches in the matrix, reality plays tricks, but there's no such thing as reality. I'm working every day for true clarity. Your face is an illusion. We're just a confusion in this fusion of realms. The things that language can't describe in other dimensions reside on the other side. The things that language can't describe can't be contained and can't be derived. So for now I'll be a sesquipedalian chameleon, a social butterfly, changing my attire as the situation requires, submitting to the will of the group to fit in, because it's how we began and it's how I begin, but still, I like to wander round the realms of possibility. It's my ability. I like to ponder and wander despondent round realms. Important these stories we tell to ourselves. The mercury becomes the deeper we delve. My words are a balsam, they heal you like salve. I like to ramble round realms through rambling realms. Sticky like jam I am. Sticky like jam. Sticky like jam I am through realms of possibility. Sticky like jam. Sticky like jam. Sticky like jam I am. There's no such thing of reality. I'm working every day for true clarity. There's something not quite right.